welcome back to Azra and Afra in one land. Today we are going to make Chapli kebab. So let's get cooking. 750 grams boneless meat. Grind to paste and add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Chilli powder 1 teaspoon. Chilli flakes 1 tablespoon. Crushed coriander seeds. Gram flour 2 to 3 tablespoons. Salt as per taste. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Chopped coriander and mint. Chopped onions handful. 1 egg. Dried pomegranate seeds powder optional. Coconut oil 2 teaspoons. Garam masala. Adjust the salt level. Refrigerate for 15 minutes. Add little chopped tomatoes. Mix well. Grind it again well to make a fine paste. Apply oil in hands and follow the steps. Now let's fry them. Medium flame. Flip it once golden brown in one side. Take out when brown and crispy. You can store like this for 1 month. Place baking sheet. Now our yummy, tasty, crunchy and delicious Chapli kebab is ready. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comments, ring the bell for receiving notifications. Bye.